Got a transmission out of a 6.0 and the input shaft is stuck. So I put some electrical tape on the input shaft and got two drive shaft clips. Put them around, two 10mm bolts, tighten them up. I'll probably use a bearing puller behind that and try and pull it out. We'll see how it works. Alright, so this is what I got so far. And then I got this slide hammer, and I took a bigger drive shaft U-bolt strap, flattened it out, drilled a hole in the middle, and then I'll connect these two holes to that hole and that hole, and then slide hammer will catch there. Should be able to get it out. Got it out.